sa panibagong video. So, mahabang panahon pa ito, guys. After months, how many months, guys? Hindi ako nakapag-video. So, ito yung bagong update ng Brookhaven, Illuminations, Minions, and Monsters. So, may monsters sa likod ko. So, simple lang, guys. Makakuha kayo ng minions. Actually, ngayon ako nakapag-play ulit ng Brookhaven kasi busy sa school. Busy yan. Where's the monster? Oh, 2 minions na pala akin. Let's pindot it. So, ganun lang kasimple makakuha ng minions. Na-feel na yung second. Wala lang naman. Recharging ko pa ito. Okay, that's critical. Bye-bye pa.
The motion picture industry forever.
Pindot na naman siya. Guys, minions. Salon, wow, ang galing ng salon. Aray ko naman, bakit tayo papasukin? Wala tayo papasukin. Buti pa yung bank. Parang Tidrills. Walang pera yung bank. Haha. Ano to? Minion? Ano ba yan? Here. Oh, I keep on blooming. What is this DNT? I will keep on blooming. Di bibitawan ang hawak kong ilaw. I will keep on blooming, blooming. Di bibitawan ang hawak kong ilaw. I will keep on blooming. Costumes. Minion, dark, gloomy. Minion house, okay. I don't like minions, by the way. What about this? What about this? Where okay. Let's pindot it. Pindot. Anong monster? No. Disaster na. Pero mayo-layo tayo, te. Baka madamay ako nito. Uy, banana. Ang laki ng banana. Bye tornado. Okay, so chicken yan. Ay, hindi. Pampalo sa puwet mo, te. Pampalo sa puwet. Backstage. Backstage pala. Backstage. This is our time. The kind of sun just there by my side. We shine, we rise, we feel so alive. The kind of sun just there by my side. Okay, the control room. Grabe naman. Okay. Okay. Explosions. War spray. Ayos na, ayos na. Oh. Ano to? What is this button? Dito na fire. Saan yung tumbler? Shot. Shoot out. Explode my. Pwede ito. Umutot kayo guys. Hahaha. Ano na naman to? Dito bas. Bas-basin. Ay. Parang okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Tayo dyan. Wala akong kasalanan dyan. Mas ka dyan. Aray ko. Ang sama ng bunny. Ang sama-sama ng bunny. Punta tayo secret room guys. Diyan. Akala ko normal bus. Camping bus yun eh. Kano to? What do you call the van? Camping van? I don't know. There's a secret room. Ang kalit pa rin, mga pinagbago. Road trip. Saan ka punta? To the moon. Road trip. Boom boom. Saan ka punta? To the moon. Road trip. Naku po. Ang daming minion house dito. Minion house. Uy. Bullshit, bullshit. Mm-mm. Saan ka ba dad? Naka. So, dito na magtatapos ang video natin, guys. So, bye, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.